Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to write a program that reverses all the elements of an array. To do that, we need to first declare and define an array. We calculate its size, and we're going to simply call the reverse function that is a predefined function by C++, but we need to include the algorithm library. So when we call the reverse function, there are two elements to consider. The first one is the name of the array. The second one is the name of the array plus size. And simply there, after that, we are printing the array to see if it has done some changes or not. So let me just run the code. So the original array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The reversed array is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So now, as you see, 1 is exchanged with 5, 2 is exchanged with 4, and 3 remain the same. So when we have the size here, it is going to reverse the full array for us. But if we put, for example, 4, it is going to reverse the first 4 elements of the array. So let's try. Okay, because we put 4 and not the size or 5, it is going to consider the first 4 elements of the array for the reverse. So 1 and 4 has been changed, their place has been changed, and 2 and 3 are exchanged. However, 5 is remaining the same, and the reason is that because we didn't include the full array. In order to include the full array, we just simply put the size. And if we are going to reverse the array for the first 2 elements, 3 elements, 4 elements, and 5 elements. That depends on us. You can simply just manually change this size and put the numbers, and then the code will go and reverse those elements of the array. Thank you for watching.